Let's begin with solving linear equalities. I can much say that this is pretty much related to solving basic algebraic equations and expressions as well. The way that we subtract values, add values, and use a variety of operations to solve and isolate different variables. It's just the same way of solving linear inequalities. To start off, I'll show you a quick demonstration of how you can solve it. I'll just put in a random example and we'll work forward. Let's say we have 4 into 6 minus x is greater than 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Let's say that. Now the first thing we do here is expand each bracket respectively. So let's open this bracket now. So we have 24 minus 4x. I hope you guys know how to open simple brackets. Is greater than 3x plus 9. So that's what's happening now. So we're going to open up the brackets and then we have this. Now what do we do here now? So better off to keep this into the right hand side and keep this to the left hand side. So let's put that in. So we would see 3x plus 9 is less than 24 minus 4x. Don't worry, this is just the same thing, just a different position. Alright, onwards. Now let's get rid of negative 4x on the right hand side and let's push it to the left hand side. And now we have 3x plus 4x plus 9 and that gives us 7x plus 9 is less than 24 by itself. Now let's solve this. 7x, so we have minus 9 here and minus 9 here as well. So that would become 7x is less than 24 minus 9, which is 15. So x would therefore remain to be the same. So we would have the same sign, that is less than, because we aren't multiplying or dividing by a negative value. If we are, then this sign would change. And then we have 15 upon 7. Let's go for another example. And you could also try it out as well. 4 multiplied by 6 minus x is greater than 8 multiplied by x minus 2. Let's solve it. So 4 to 6 and then 4 into negative x. So 24 minus 4x is greater than 8x minus 16. Now in this example, let's isolate x. Since it's better to choose x as the first term, so let's push it up here. And in that perspective, we would see 8x minus 16 is less than 24 minus 4x. Now, bringing it here, so 8x plus 4x. Since we want to get rid of negative 4x on the right hand side, we have to add it to equalize it to a 0 on the right hand side. So now we have 8x plus 4x, so that's 12x minus 16 is less than 24. Now let's solve it even more. Let's push this to the other side. 12x is less than 24 plus 16, which is simply 40. So since we're not dividing or multiplying by a negative integer, we can just simply remain the same sign for that, and that would give us x is less than 40 upon 12. Simplify it to, let's say we could do it by we could do it by 4. That would give us x, so that x is less than 10 upon 3.